Hey everyone, welcome back. We are Ceejay and Zaira, and this is day 16. Okay, 16 of 21 days learning how to skate journey. And what's today called, Zaira?
Transition.
That's right, the transition.
Today we're going to learn how to go from forward to backwards and from backwards to forward.
Yep. So, as always, let's warm up.
Let's go. Up, down, up, down.
Up, down.
Try to go with the rhythm of the music if you can. Side to side, because it's too cold today.
That's it. I can't feel my toes.
But you know how to do it. Just keep going then forward. And then faster, 1, 2, 1, 2, putting all our muscles at the same time. 1, 2, 1, 2. Using your obliques as well and your core. Using all your big muscles.
All the big muscles. All the
And then
small.
scissor.
I think like my body's hurting from the workout still.
Mine is fun. I'm ready for another more. Ceejay. And 8. Forward. Backward. Forward. Backward. Forward. There, feeling all your inside muscles of your legs. Okay, big to chest. And get a bit loose. And ready to start.
Okay, let's go. So transitions. Okay, oh, so scratchy itchy back. So what we're going to be doing is teaching you how to go from forwards to backwards and backwards to forwards. Okay? Right. So I'm going to give you an example of going forwards to backwards, and then Zara's going to give you an example of going from backwards to forwards. And then
Okay.
we'll teach it. Okay? So this is how it looks. Skate, skate, skate. Boom, boom.
And now me.
Yeah.
Backwards. Get.
Ta-da! Okay, right, so now I'm going to teach you how to do it. So first of all, like always, we're going to just do it on the spot, okay? You have your legs nice and bent, toes slightly pointed out, arms in front, back straight. And all we're doing is we're going to be turning to the left, okay? So when we do that, we're going to step out of our right foot, then we're going to step with our left foot. So, and then we're going to step with our right foot again, okay? So, and then you wiggle that tail, yeah.
And yes, I got it.
So, again, probably easier from this way. Alright, so now we're going to show you how to go from forward to backwards on the spot, okay? So, start with the knees bent, feet pointed out, great position as we always tell you, and we're going to take our right foot, step out. Our head is going to be over our right foot, okay? So we're distributing the weight over to the right, so we can step with the left and open up our hips. Okay, now our head is over our left foot. And then we bring our right foot in, and again, now we're straight again how we need us in our normal skating stance to go backwards. So let's do that again one more time slow, and then we'll do it at faster pace on the spot, okay? Ready? So slowly again, 3, 2, 1. Step with the right foot, open up with your left foot, step in with your right foot. Okay?
And one more time, make sure that in your lines, you are in the middle of the wheels. Not like this, not like that. It's always step by step, like always.
There you go.
Nothing changes.
No floppy feet. Right, so let's do that with speed on the spot, and then we'll try and do it with a little bit of motion, okay? Ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1. Step, step, step. Alright? Great stuff. Now we're going to see if we can do it with a bit of motion. Okay, maybe you go front just because my back will be facing it and they like to see our faces. Okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Step, step, step. Transition. There we go. And just hold it and roll, okay? We don't want none of you trying to...
One more time.
Okay, that's
One more time.
ready?
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Transition, step, change.
And try to keep rolling.
There we go. In that nice seated position that Zara always tells you to be in, okay? Excellent. So keep practicing that a couple of times and then you'll get used to that. And now what we're going to do is show you the reverse. So once you're going backwards, how to go into the forwards movement, okay? So we're skating backwards. Woo! And now in the position, we're going to show you. So you're going to step, open up your hips with your left leg, okay? And then your weight's going to go onto your left leg and you're going to bring your right foot round, bam. Okay? And if you, it's 2 steps, if you need to straighten up, you can adjust your left leg again if you need to. Okay? And then you're ready to carry on rolling forwards. So let's do that one more time slowly. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Open up with the left, bring in the right, and straighten up if necessary. Alright, so let's do that with full speed. 3, 2, 1, go. Open up, step.
I thought we were going backwards.
She's the eager beaver, isn't it? She's doing the things I tell you got not to. Don't rush. Chill. On the spot.
Okay, one more time.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Open up, bring it down.
And make sure that you go down.
That's
Just
it.
be like,
Don't be Frankenstein.
you have to go with all your body at the same time and go down.
Not like this. Okay, you got to bend.
Bring your body at the same time.
Right.
And now with the speed,
Now with speed. Now you get to move, okay?
let's go.
Speedy Gonzalez here. You take the front, I'll take the back.
3,
2, 1. Skate, 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 and rotate. Okay? And again. Ready, and skate, 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 and rotate. Excellent. Got any more activities for them to try this?
Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do the forward to backward transition, but with more advanced tips. So, if you just in case you want to try and you already passed the other stage. So, we're going to be skating, and to get ready to do the transition, we're going to put our legs in a scissor position like this. So, all the weight that is in here is going to transfer to this leg. So from here we're going to turn and do this. I'm going to show you first so you can have an idea. This one. In, done. So we're going to do the transition with a turn. To do that turn, as I told you, we're going to put the scissor position, and from here all the weight that is in this leg is going to transfer to the back leg to be able to spin, to turn. Turn and close totally the turn to keep going backwards. At first, maybe you're going to stop because you don't know how to keep the motion. So for that, you have to keep your feet together. But that's something that you're going to see when you are in intermediate level, beginner intermediate, so you don't need to do that now, just in case you want to try.
Okay, so just before she just goes on a bit further, as you can see, the step she's doing, the scissors is the same motion as this opening up, so keep that in your mind. And obviously it's just more of a roll-in transition rather than a step-in transition, okay? But the steps remain the same.
The same but just rolling. So one more time we're going to do with a little bit of speed. Keep this leg ready and just have to bring this leg backwards to be able to change your direction and bring them together. And that's it. I'm going to do one the last time, slow. 1, 2, 3, and feet parallel. And that's it. And and you have to try to keep rolling backwards. For that you have to make sure that your feet are parallel. If not, doesn't happen. And that's it.
And that's how you make it look smooth. Hey everyone, okay, so like we said, the smoother version that Zaira just showed you is more of an intermediate level, okay? So if you're not there, it's okay. Just keep practicing the stepping version and you'll get it. And then you can start putting that in together with the backward motion that we've been showing you, okay? But, like always, let's warm down or cool down or boogie down and stretch our body out.
Let's go. Inhale. Exhale. Now we're going to bend our knees until you're very close to your legs. Try to keep the balance. If not, you can do with a skate or grab something to help your balance. And stretch your legs. And keep all the weight of your body loose in front, forward. Go up. Slow. Now we're going to our knees. 1, 2. And push your hip forward. Turn. And keep there. Now continue with the other one. Push your hip forward. Posting for the beach holiday. Turn your body. Hold the pressure there. Your sauce. And go back. Try to reach as far as you can. And stretch your back.
Shake your fingers out. Nice and big.
Go up. And 1 and 2. Keep going in. Stretch your legs. Go up. Now we're going to open our legs. Go down, pushing forward. And we're going to slightly put all our weight in our right leg. Feeling on the stretch and our inside leg. Change leg at the same. Go back to the middle. Feel the stretch in your hamstring. And slow go up. Close your feet, slow, little steps. And one more breathe. Hold the stretch there. Go down and one more time. Up and now exhale. And this is all for today.
Okay guys, thank you very much. I hope you had fun with this and I hope it comes in handy. And don't speed, okay? Take your time with it. Take the stages as you need to. And yeah.
See you tomorrow,
See you tomorrow.
for more backwards technique.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Bye.
you.